Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can message someone on Roblox without being their friend. So I'm going to show you two methods. For the first one, we just want to search for the username here in the search bar. So let's search for John, and we're just going to search for the person in people here. So let's say we want to message this person here, John. We want to click on their profile. If you aren't friends, then this button here will most probably be grayed out as it is for me. But what we can do, this is the first method here. We want to scroll down and we want to go to their groups. So for example, this group, we want to find a group where he is the owner, or a group where he's has a very important role, and just click on the group itself. Here, just check if there is a chat, and there is a chat here, and we want to click on join group. So after we have successfully joined the group, we can refresh the page here, and we will scroll down here to the chat, and then we can just type @ and I'm just going to open up this page here to view his profile, and we just want to copy this. So this is going to be his username, so we're going to copy this, right click copy, and in the wall here I'll type @ John, and this is his username, and I'll say hi, something along those lines, and I can post this. So if I post this, then this will message the person without being friends. Now another thing that we can do is just play the game that they're playing. So for example here, let's pretend like they're playing the hood. So just search for the game that they're playing if you know that they're playing it currently. Just load up the game. So I'm gonna click on here and I will open up the Roblox client, and I'll show you what we can do. So like I said, if John is in the game here, you will be able to see them to the side here in the players list. So for example, let's pretend like Jeremy here is John. We will open up the chat. Just open up the chat here and type /w, and then we will type Jeremy. And as soon as I type J, it automatically fills this out, and we can message the person right here. And those are the two methods of messaging someone without being their friend. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.